hope you're doing well. It's your girl, Caroline Wamboi, and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So today I want you to spend a day with us just eating traditional foods. I hope you are going to enjoy the whole part of the video. We are going to be doing breakfast together, lunch, our 4 o'clock snack, and even our dinner. So stick to the end and just wait for the results. So that was our breakfast. That is what we ate. The first thing we ate in the day was sweet potatoes, some groundnuts, and some tea. So later in the day, I prepared lunch, and we were eating, what do we call them, bananas. And bananas is also one of the traditional foods in my culture. And I'm not going to do a detailed cooking of anything in the video because I have done most of the recipes, so I will just pass over. So I will start by preparing the bananas, then we are going to cook them together. For my cooking, I tried as much as possible to make it natural. So I don't think I'm going to add any spice except the Royco cubes. I'll just add 2 pieces. And I'm going to cook the bananas with some tomatoes, and that will be it. For my matoke, I just prefer it having a lot of bananas as compared to the potatoes. So I'll just put a few pieces of potatoes. I think I used around 7 bananas. Bananas have become very expensive. I bought them at 3 at 25 shillings. So I will be using the 7 bananas and about 4 pieces of potatoes. Yeah, because I need a lot of bananas in the matoke. For the potatoes and the bananas, I just ensure that they are in the smallest pieces because of my baby. Yeah, so I'm just slicing them off, but you can eat them whole. It's not a must. You can also add some meat in your matoke if you wish to, but I personally needed it very, very natural, very, very natural, because in the traditional way, you don't even add the beef nor the tomatoes, you just cook it as it is. Allow me to take this chance to just welcome all the new subscribers of the week. Karibuni sana. In this channel, we love visitors. Thank you to my returnees and my premier gang for always finding the time to just come and support my content. For the new subscribers, we normally do our videos on Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. On Tuesday and Thursday, I usually post at exactly 2 p.m. in form of premieres, and on Sunday at exactly 2:30 p.m. So if you have the time, always find time to come and join my premier gang so that we can interact live with you guys. For our 4 o'clock snack, we took some porridge, and that is what I'm trying to prepare. So this time I'm going to use the fermented one because that is the common traditional form of porridge we have. But I personally do not know how to prepare it. That one for fermenting, so I had to get the fermented unga, and that is what I'm going to be using. After the porridge was ready, we also ate a fruit, and I just wish I had those traditional fruits, but since I didn't have, we just took a melon, some pieces of melon, and that was it. So later in the evening, I cooked dinner, but my baby ate the leftover matoke that for lunchtime. So I just prepared some githeri, and I just prepared it in the simplest way. If I had the time, I would have put potatoes, but it was very late in the night, and I was preparing it after my baby slept. So I just enjoyed the dinner alone. If you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you. Thank you for sticking around. case you're wondering, I come from the Kikuyu culture, and those are just some of the traditional meals we have. Yeah, we have many more like the mukimos and everything. I have cooked them earlier in this channel. I think you can check out from my past videos. You are going to see some of these meals. In case you have sticked around up to this point, may God bless you. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Bye bye, and let me see you in my next one on Tuesday, God willing. Bye bye. I love you.